Hey everyone, this is Cess of TeacherCes.com and the TeacherCes Podcast. And I have a topic today. We're going to get right into it because I don't like wasting time and I'm trying to make it to this yoga class in an hour. Um, yeah, the title says it all. Why the hell are you not using Usertesting.com? A presentation sponsored by TeacherCes.com. I have written a blog. I have done word of mouth. I have done practically everything I can think of in regards to letting user testing, spreading the word about usertesting.com, and I don't understand why nobody does this. This is the simplest $30 to $50 hour you can make. It's part of the reason why I've even stopped online tutoring, because I'm like, dude, this money is like for real. And it's me saying this because I really am making money. I'm not BSing you or anything, or somebody told me. Nah, nobody told me. I did this myself. If you look here on the second slide, this is real money. Like, they really sent me this. I'm not making it up. I'm not even getting any kickback on this. So I should just be like, man, you know what? F all y'all. I'm getting this money for myself. But my conscience won't allow me to do that. So here we are. This is $10 that I made, that was sent to me rather, I don't know, 4 days ago via PayPal. I want to show you guys how you can do this as well. Like, true story, I actually made $10 just setting this tutorial up. So I'm using a new platform right now, so bear with me if some things are a little wonky. And let's go over here. All right, so if you hear that ding sound, that's the sound of money. Like, seriously. This is the available test page. It has all the available tests that I can take, you can take, we can take, whatever. Like I said, and I am not making this up, as the evidence shows, I actually made $10 just setting this tutorial up. You can go down the list. You can take a screener for any of these tests. The screeners are not long. They're basically like either you're in or you're out as far as it goes. I mean, yeah, you're going to have to take a couple and you will not qualify for everything. That is true. But it really is worth your time. In the end, you will take a test and they ask you questions about advertisements and things of that nature. It is a million times better than, I think the website was called Swagbucks. It was some survey testing website I did many years ago. Now I'm lying. It was like a year ago. That asked you all these countless surveys, and it was points, and it was just really a waste of my time, because my time is my money and my money is my time. That was a waste. This is not. Like I said, there are times where I'll take numerous screeners and I don't qualify, so be it. And then there are times, like I said, I literally just logged on to set everything up for this video and boom, took a survey, $10, took me like 8 minutes. And it was really worth my time and it was interesting. When you do start, one thing that was failed to mention to me was the fact when you start and you do your first survey, they're going to hold it for like a week just to make sure you're legit. And please be legit. Like, really give the survey your attention. Most of the time they're quite interesting, and I really enjoy it. So I hope this tutorial, which is really short, was good for you. You can sign in on www.usertesting.com. What was the other thing I wanted to point out? Make sure you keep your stars, your ratings at 5. As you can see, I'm a 5-star tester because it's really that easy. I just go ahead and give it my full attention. And and the last thing, make sure if you're like me and you have a lot of noise due to children, you buy like those like I call them the my prerogative headsets, but they're not my prerogative headsets. They're the ones with the microphone and noise canceling abilities. They really do want to be able to hear you, so it's worth the $20 Amazon.com investment. So if you like this tutorial, please like, rate, subscribe, friend, whatever platform, because this is going to be on across all platforms. Make your comments down below. If you need any assistance, help with getting started, let me know. And that about wraps it up. And also, be on the lookout. TeacherCes Podcast Season 2 coming soon. Bye-bye.